What's up, guys? So today this is my last pike fly fishing session for this season. In the day it was going very hard, but still managed a couple of pikes. So please enjoy this video.
There was a pike and she was following. I have 2 takes and I missed them. I felt something grab their fly, but I missed them, and there was a pike just right by the bank. It was following and I haven't seen that. I didn't saw that pike. I should try it again. Maybe she will grab it again. Because she's somewhere here. Oh, I saw the pike and I saw what she was striking. As you see, I need to work today aggressively, basically to take my line aggressively to the pikes. They're grabbing the fly and it works aggressively. Yes. Yes, guys. First fish of the day. Fighting a lot. Strong one. Yes. guys, first fish of the day. It was very hard to do it. It was very hard going, but it was well worth to try. Alright, nice one. There's the fly, which one was worked well, and that's a beastie, which one took the fly, just too much good blood. Yeah, nice fish. So let's leave this back and try to catch something else until it's not too late. Of course, I'm a bit pimped my fly. Added some bits just to make a bit noise, and I can see it now at the moment. It's working well because I was fishing before, like basically, from that bridge. I was fishing from that bridge in this way. I had no bite, and when I just return it in this place with some added bits on the fly, I have a success, so probably they're working well. So guys, I'm gonna quick show you my pimped fly. There's the one. What I've done to my fly, simple fly, but what I added is the bead, the weight, and if you see the round plastic thing, so when it flies and it swims, it makes like a rattling noise, and this plastic thing is like helps a bit to run through, like run more water, pushing more water through the fly, like this, like that. It makes a bit more vibration. As I saw the pikes grabbing like big bunches of small fish, but they just totally ignoring my flies, and I was changing like 10-15 flies, different colors, different sizes. They wasn't interested in nothing, but just once I just changed the bright color, I just add the bead and the plastic thing. That's it. It started making more vibration, a bit more noisy, and then that was probably was my success. I'm soaking wet because it's all day raining now, so let's hope to catch something else, at least one more pike, and then yeah, I can go home. But yeah, so no blank for me today so far, so quite good day. And yeah, let's try to catch something else because it's pouring rain like properly, and not much time left, so let's try to catch something else. Yes! Finally! Yes, guys! Fish on! Nice one! I was waiting for this moment. Whew. It's a long time waited. Yeah, I was waited for a long time. You can see the big shadow. Just wondering, is there not another pike? Just following this one, smaller one. Nice one. Oh, you can see. Probably they're fighting. Come in. Yes. Nice one, guys. Yes. Big fish. Let's get the hook out. Oh, the hook is nice. The hook is already out. My pimped fly worked well. Look at this beauty beast. This beastie, nice one. But look at the scarf. So they're fighting probably with another pikes.